So this video is all about the HPI Racing Servo Saver Set. Included in the package are 4 pieces of these brackets where you attach your servo, and then you have these 6 parts that completes the servo arm. Assembling the Servo Saver set is quite simple and straightforward. Alright, so we start with this part over here. As you can see, there's the hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have the circuit here. Make sure it fits snugly into place, and the third part would fit like this. Next would be the spring, and then the 5th part would be this that holds the spring together, and last but not the least will be this. So there you have it. That's the HPI Servo Saver Set.